we are also now learning that the applicant Mohan, the driver in this case, has named, he has been named by Shivam's dad, and he in fact moved a surrender application before the court also. However, upon seeking instructions, the police have informed the court that the applicant is neither named as an accused nor wanted in connection with the present case, this hit and run case. In view of the said submission that has been made by the police, the court now ended up rejecting that surrender application that was submitted by Mohan. My colleague Ankur Sharma, who's been tracking every development associated with this Kanpur hit and run case, now joins us on the broadcast. Ankur, even as the driver put out a surrender application, the police now turning around and saying that he's not even being named in the FIR. And the person who's been named in the FIR has scooted and he's reached the national capital in Delhi, and now he is set to move court for getting his car out of the police custody. How bizarre are these developments?
Yes, certainly. So it is now the police job to arrest the actual accused who has been named in the FIR. And in other theory, which was given by the family, according to the family, the Mohan was driving the car. In that case also, the court has rejected the application filed by Mohan that he wants to surrender. It was bound to happen because he was not named in the FIR. Also, he is not accused in the case. The case has no link with him, according to the police. And now it is the job of the Kanpur police to arrest Shivam from wherever he is. And according to his father, he is in Delhi and under treatment now. And his father yesterday also told media that he'll be joining the investigation once he will be allowed by the doctors. So in this particular case, there are multiple, contradiction, lapses and delays from the police side. And now this, the latest development, that surrender plea, which was merely, it seems that it was just an eyewash, because since whenever such situation happens, the court asks police whether this person is accused in the matter or not. That was denied by the police. So certainly, the Mohan also showed a document which was a settlement document, paper that between the Tawfiq, who is the complainant.
So let's put that out, in fact, Ankur, and that's how the bizarreness of this entire case doesn't stop. Now we are learning, and this is the next piece of breaking news that we have for our viewers, the lawyer of Tawfiq, who was injured in the accident and who had ended up filing this FIR against in fact, Shivam Mishra in the Kanpur Lamborghini case, now has stated that a compromise agreement has been submitted in court. Tawfiq has identified in court that Mohan Lal was in fact driving the car. So a settlement that one learns of. Ankur, you were telling me about this exact thing, that now a compromise seems to have been attained as far as this case is concerned. But before you go ahead and offer more perspective on this breaking news that we have, let's take a look at this reaction now coming in.
मैंने अपना पूरा पक्ष रखा है, हलफनामा दिया है, और हमने घायल जो इस मुकदमे का वादी है उसका जो समझौतानामा है वो समझौतानामा भी कोर्ट में प्रस्तुत किया है, जिसमें कि इंजर्ड जो कंप्लेनेंट है उसने इस बात की शिनाख्त की कि इस गाड़ी को मोहनलाल ही चला रहा था। न्यायालय के सामने इस आशय का मोहनलाल का शपथ पत्र भी दिया गया है। न्यायालय ने सारे बिंदुओं पर सुनवाई के बाद में आदेश को सुरक्षित रख लिया है। आदेश का प्रतीक्षा कीजिए। कितनी देर में आ जाएगा? अब ये तो साहब ही बता सकते हैं कि वो कितनी देर में आदेश करेंगे। मैं भी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग भी प्रतीक्षा कीजिए।
Ankur, this case has every ingredient of becoming a VIP saga, how money can end up buying everything. In this case, the driver was made the fall guy, and now even the complainant, the one person who ended up filing that FIR against Shivam, going on record and saying that it was driver Mohan who was driving the car.
Yes, certainly. In fact, he has given two recorded statements. One is between Tawfiq and Mohan, and also Tawfiq is the main complainant. He also gave complaint to the police that I have been hit by this car and this person was driving the car. So he has given two statements. So certainly, this also raises another question, that why he settled the matter with Mohan if he was driving the car, then why did he file the complaint with the police? So with each and every development, there are multiple questions, are getting raised in this matter, and in this particular case, as you rightly said, that it has become this justice has become a luxury now.
Right, absolutely. Ankur, after this latest development, what can one learn of the version that is coming in from the police also needs to be now put out? But here's some more breaking news that we are getting on the broadcast.